Hi everyone, I am Mamta Mittal. Welcome to Art Explorer Academy.
So today we are going to make a cat. Okay. So this is the cat which we are going to make today. And she's opening her mouth and she's ready to eat the mouse. Yeah, she's feeling hungry. Okay. So let's draw it. So today's drawing is going to be quite funny. So how it is funny is I will tell you. So this is our paper. You have to keep your paper vertical like this. And then you have to fold your paper into half like this. Just fold your paper like this. And then fold your paper half again like this. Okay. So this is how it should be. Okay, so I'm repeating it once again. I just took a paper, full paper, A4 sheet, and I just folded it into half like this. And then I just folded half back like this. Okay, so I hope everybody has understood. Has everyone understood how to fold the paper? Good. Okay, so now let's keep it like this and we will draw a cat. So how we are going to draw a cat? So I'm using my marker and from here we will just make a line like this and like this. Okay, so this is the face of the cat. And now from here we are just going to join like this. Okay, so this is the forehead of the cat and this is the mouth of the cat. Okay, so now we are going to make 2 ears like this and another fold of the ear like this, and on this side as well we will make another ear. Okay, yes, if you have any question you can type in the chat box, Mohit. Okay, so now I'm just going to draw the mouth of the cat. So this should be just on the paper, okay, not down the paper like this. So it should not come on the down paper, okay, on the top side. And then I'll just make the nose like this, a little round from the corners like this. So this is the nose, and I'm going to make eyes. So eyes should be quite big, so big and oval shaped like this. Okay, so and with the thin marker I'm just going to make the eyeball like this, so which is round. So this is the eye of ball of the like this. Okay, so now you can just fill in the color and leaving the little small highlight in the eye. So you can just fill in the eyeball like this. Okay. So I'm waiting. I hope everybody is done till here. So I'm waiting for 5 minutes. How to fold the paper? Again, tell me how to draw the cat face. You came just now. Okay. So I just took a A4 sheet and I just folded it from the middle of the paper like this. And then I just folded it back. So this is the half paper. See, the print has come out on the back side as well. So, and then from here, you have to fold it into half on the upper side. And then you have to draw the face of the cat like this. And then the bottom part of the face. And then you have to draw 2 ears like this. Okay. So this is how we have folded the paper. And this is how we have to draw the cat. So this is the mouth. So mouth should be only on the top of the paper, not on the below paper. And the nose. So nose is a bit oval. And the eyes. So eyes are also oval and the circle inside the eyes. Okay. So this is how we have to draw the cat. Okay, so now I'm moving on and I will just draw the mouth of the cat. So the mouth of the cat will be just joining from here like this. Okay, so you have to join 2 lines like this and the mouth is very widely open. So it should be open till here, still the fold, inside the fold only. Don't come down of the fold, okay? So this is the mouth of the cat, which is open like this. And the cat is having very big, sharp and white teeth like this. And the upper teeth are also quite big like this. Okay. And then this is the tongue. Okay. So now, done, ma'am. How to do it? Yes, Weber, what do you want to know? How to do it? How to fold the paper? Okay. So this is my paper and I took one A4 sheet and I just folded the paper from the middle like this, equal. Okay. And then from here, I just folded again half of the paper on the upside. And then I just drew the cat half up and half down. And the mouth line of the cat will be only on the upper paper. So we are not supposed to draw anything on the down. So because when we open the paper, we can see the cat is, the moment we are opening the paper, we can see that cat is opening the mouth and ready to eat a mouse. Okay, so after that, we just drew the open mouth of the cat and then the upper teeth and lower teeth and the tongue. So now we are just going to color it. So I will just fill in the orange color in the mouth, and I'm leaving the teeth white. Okay, like this. Oh my God, our cat is looking very dangerous. Ready to open the mouth and eat so many things. So I'm going to fill in the pink color in the tongue. Like this. Okay, so mouth part is done already. So now I'm just going to fill in the pink color in the ears as well. So you can show your creativity. You can use any color you like in the cat. Okay. Can I fill it with red? Yes, you can fill the tongue with red as well. Okay. So you can make it green as well. That is your choice. If you have seen the dragon drawing, dragon is of different colors. So you can color any color of your choice. Okay. So now I'm just going to fill in the yellow color in the cat. So my cat is yellow. And I'll just make the orange patches here, small. So these are small triangles. Okay, like this. So here also I have one. And here. Okay, and I'll make it yellow. Can I fill the cat with the gray color? Yes, you can fill the cat with the gray color, definitely. So I'm making my cat yellow and the nose pink, like this. So just fill in the yellow color. Leave the eyes. We are going to fill in some another color in the eyes. Just fill the yellow color in the whole body of the face of the cat. So it takes some time to fill in the color in the cat. So maybe you can just understand the procedure and do it after the class. So you have to fill it very neatly. Okay. Okay. So this is done. And now I'm going to do green color in the eyes. So green and yellow. So I'm just going to make the green and yellow colors. Just fill half of the eye with the green. Okay. And then bottom half with the yellow. So instead of yellow, you can do blue as well. Okay. So this is our cat for the day. And if you open it, it looks funny. And the cat is ready to eat something. So you can make here anything if you want. You can make a burger or a fish or a little bit of milk in the mouth of the cat. Can I fill the cat with the brown color? Yes. Gray color? Yes. Good. So you can just have fun with it. Just show this drawing to somebody and then tell cat is ready to eat. Cat is ready to eat. See, it's funny, right? Cat is opening the mouth and showing her big teeth. Okay. So whoever has done, they can show me their drawings. Yes, Satish Kumar. Yes. Yeah, you did blue color in the cat. Good, good, good. Nice.
I had made white cat.
Okay, good. Very good. Advika?
I had made rainbow.
Rainbow cat. Oh my God. So very beautiful. Very beautiful. Yes, Satish, I saw your drawing. Anybody else want to show the drawing? Session is over. Please switch on your camera and show me your drawings. I would love to see your beautiful creation. Tejas, Punya Nair, Diya, Minakshi, Charan, Devash, Tejasvi,
Ma'am, finish my drawing.
Atharv Gupta. Wow, yellow and orange cat. Beautiful. Oh my goodness. It's beautiful. Lovely, lovely. Very beautiful, Atharv Gupta. Very nice. Vaibhav, are you
ma'am.
Nitin, very good. Show
Ma'am, I did not finish. Ma'am, I didn't do it.
Oh, very good. Nitin, very good.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I did not complete the cat.
Okay, so you can complete it afterwards. I hope you have understood the procedure.
Okay.
Okay. So we will start with the second session. So you just complete it in 5 minutes. I'm waiting for 5 minutes. Then we will start the next session for Independence Day. Okay. Yes, Abhika. Yes, beautiful cat. White and pink. Very nice.
Teacher, can you open the cat?
Open the cat. Okay. See? So you can draw anything inside the mouth of the cat. So you can draw a burger or a chocolate or a pizza.
Drawing.
What does your cat like? Your cat likes what? It likes a pizza?
Bye everyone. Hope you had a wonderful session.